Intro. Today we're gonna have a little bit of a mail call. Gonna do a what did you buy? I know it's not Wednesday, but if I don't do it now, who knows when I will get to put this up. So anyway, we're gonna do that. I got a couple of shout outs and we'll take a look at the 65 step side. So let's get to it, shall we? All right, so first I want to do a shout out for Manny. It's going to be a mail call also because he actually sent me something that is pretty cool. If you're not subscribed to Manny, you got to go check him out. I mean, he's got a lot of instruction. He does live flames. He did a incredible dragon mural on one of his on a van build that he did. This guy's got some serious talent. Very artistic. Great guy. Check him out. Tell him John sent you. All right, so let's see what Manny got. Let's see what Manny got. Let's see what Manny sent. Shall we? All right, so this is what he sent me. These are the instructions and what is in there. I'm telling you, pretty cool. He had mentioned that at Hobby Lobby they were going to stop carrying some of the colors that we use to do rusting. So I had made a comment on his video, and he messaged me and said that he had a kit that he'd like to send me, a rusting kit that he would like to send me. So let's take a gander, shall we? All right, so this is see if we can get it up there. This is the box that it came in. You can see some of the stuff there. So we've got a palette. He even sent some sponges, which is pretty cool. Then we got even sent along paintbrushes. Tell you, he thought of everything. And we've got a rusted pipe color, teddy bear brown, terracotta. This is yeah, that's one of the ones I'm almost out of. Then we've got the burnt umber. This one is gone. I don't have any more of that. So we got burnt sienna, and lastly we got marigold. Pretty cool. This is awesome. This is awesome. And when I learned from Mars how to do the rusting, which I'll put everybody's link below. I already had these paints. I didn't have full bottles, so they didn't last long at all. But these are gonna last a while. Thanks, Manny. You're the best, man. Appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Then I got another shout out. I just started a TikTok. I've never even used TikTok before, but I haven't gained a lot, but I've already gained more followers on YouTube after that, and the followers I have on TikTok are just, every day I can't believe how many more people are starting to follow me. So this is one of the guys I follow and who started following me. So this is This is TikTok. I haven't looked to see if he has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna check. If he does, I will leave a link. And if one of you out there knows this channel, let me know. And yeah, we'll get some other people to go over and subscribe. So here we go. Here's his sticker. We got Pit Road Speedway. That's one. He sent me another one. That's little Pit Road models. So that's pretty cool. I do have my stainless steel wall of stickers, which these will go on. And Manny actually also sent me a sticker. Boom, there it is. Focus. There it is. So yeah, pretty sweet. I always love the stickers. I mean, stickers have become a thing in the past year, right? It's like getting so many stickers. It's awesome. I had to find anyway. So I was at my optometrist office, and you sit in the doctor's office wherever you are, and there's always People magazine or maybe Vogue. But when I went to the optometrist, this was setting in the magazines. I pretended it was mine and walked out with it, but I had permission actually. So this is okay. So this is Motor News and Marketplace. So I grabbed it because they have a lot of the older model cars, like this guy right here. But they do a little blurb on it, and they show pictures of different parts of the car. So I thought this is be great to refer to, be great subject matter to what's the word I'm looking for? To apply to your build. So yeah, so this is pretty cool. It's like I said, it is also a magazine where you can, sell your car parts. There is a man, I can't remember what it is. Anyway, but it's cool if you want to has how-tos, but this is for cars, obviously. Here it is. They have this Daytona Turbo Z in here. That's for sale. Looking pretty good. There we go. $3,800. $3,800. So yeah, it's a cool magazine. There's also an ad in here for a 1/18th scale. Man, I don't remember what car it was, but anyway, yeah. So I grabbed it. They got all kinds of. So I've talked about that enough already. So there's that. And then I messaged. Excuse me. And then I mentioned how, I had watched Manny, and he did a live. He taught how to do live flames, how to paint those, and my two gallery brushes do not have, and I cannot get a 0.2 needle for it. So I went online and found these. They were marked down. Can't tell what the usual price is anyway, but I bought a master airbrush. This came with 3 needles. It's got the 0.3, the 0.2, and 0.5. So I'm happy about that, because now I can really practice doing those flames, which I really, really want to learn how to do. I think they look pretty cool. And let's see. Well, that's all I bought. And that's all I got. Let's take a gander at the 65 step side, shall we? Okay, so here's the bed. I can show you how I did the wood grain. I really like how it came out. I wish, I just cannot think of what channel I learned it from. But I can tell you, Tiffany at Dirt Road Cinderella does a great job doing that. So what I did, anyway, is first I laid this down. What color we got? We got red brown. Then I dry brushed with one of these guys. I don't know if any of you use said call dry brush. I used to use just some of my regular brushes and use it the same way, but this is much better. It'll get a more surface area and very soft. All right, so then let's get back on track. After I did the real brown, I used dry brushed espresso bean on there. That's dry brushed the espresso bean. Then I took this orange candy I got on sale at Hobby Lobs, and I just painted over all those, let each layer dry before you do it. But yeah, then I just put the grabber orange on there and looks great. I'm going to use bare metal foil on the rails, cover that up, and let's see. So I've got, everything's dusty, sorry, it's been sitting out, it's been taking me forever to build this. So there's the cab. Got the cab all ready to go, bare metal foiled. Yeah, I think wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad. I got to do a little touch up here and there, but I like it. All right. So now what? Now we got the chassis. Chassis is pretty much done. I do want to run brake lines on this. I really enjoyed doing it the last time I did it, so we're going to do some brake lines on it. I printed out, I think I showed you, I printed out these sport truck tires and wheels for it. I think they look pretty cool. So working on that, and take a gander at the interior. So here we go. Here's the interior, pretty much done. I did my little orange highlights. I had some orange caution tape, I guess you call it. So I cut that from my seat belts, and yeah, so this is pretty much what I created with ChatGPT. I will put the picture up again right here, more straight over there, that picture right there. So again, to look like that, the only difference is I think it's going to be these wheels. So what else do I got? Nothing. That's what else I have. I got nothing. I caught you up on everything. That's it. So I want to thank you for stopping by. I want to thank all my old and new subscribers. I want to thank everybody who stops to watch this video. And if you're just passing by and you like this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing. What the heck? You'll enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up, share, ring that notification bell so you know every time I put up a new video. Once again, thank you. God bless. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.